We're also very happy to welcome you to now being alumni of the college.
It's crazy that it's flown by. I remember when I got here in 2021, not knowing a soul, but now I have a network full of people that I can count on and probably call for, support and guidance.
That's actually one of the reasons I came to UK was for the networking opportunities both on and off campus. The people I have been able to meet both through my major and through the college itself is what drew me to come here above all other universities, and I look forward to continuing those relationships after graduation.
Having that network is really important even after you graduate, and I hope to stay in the Lexington community a little bit longer and be able to play a part in that alumni association as well.
I know we always say the College of Ag feels like home and like a family. You get to continue that, come back to Roundup, participate in winter event and other events that you already did in college. And so it's that piece of home that you get every year. And then also you just get to make a difference in the lives of all the students that are coming into the college.
Because I am very fortunate to have been able to come here and want to pay it forward and pay it back and maintain relationships with people who made my college experience so worthwhile.
So please get involved in the Alumni Association. Not only can you network with other graduates and stay involved and have that piece of home that the College of Ag gives you, but you can also just better yourself constantly. And so the College of Ag, that family-like feel can remain for years to come. So get involved not only in the main college association, but also the UK Alumni Association as well.
And on behalf of the Cafe Alumni Association, I want to welcome you to our family. You definitely have blue and white in your DNA, and you will always have a home.